Welcome to the Arkansas PBS studios. I'm Jamie Walters.
And I'm Aaron Utley, and we're here to let you know what's happening this November.
As we look forward to America at 250, Ken Burns' film The American Revolution explores our country's founding and its 8-year war for independence. Watch the 6-night premiere event starting November 16th. To celebrate the film, Arkansas PBS is hosting screenings, Transcribe-a-thons, and partnering with National History Day Arkansas. Visit myarpbs.org/America250 to learn more.
Arkansas PBS Sports is serving up the high school volleyball state championships on Saturday, November 1st. Congratulations to all the hardworking student athletes across Arkansas. Catch all the action on Arkansas PBS or watch later on the Arkansas PBS YouTube channel.
It's an honor to share that Arkansas PBS was recognized by the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences at the Mid-America EMMY Awards ceremony. We're so proud of our talented team members and partners who help make these Arkansas PBS original projects possible.
As we enter the season of giving, the Mr. Rogers Neighborhood Sweater Drive offers us all a meaningful way to spread warmth to our neighbors. For the entire month of November, you can bring your gently used sweaters, jackets, and other winter clothing to libraries across Arkansas. Visit myarpbs.org/sweater drive for the complete list of locations.
Thanks for joining us, and be sure to connect with us on social media. You'll find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and X.
We're grateful for your support, and we thank you for being a part of our Arkansas PBS community. We'll see you next month.